First reading. A reading from the prophet Jeremiah, chapter 2, verses 1 to 3, 7 to 8, and 12 to 13. The word of Yahweh came to me, saying, Go and shout this in Jerusalem's ears. Yahweh says this: I remember your faithful love, the affection of your bridal days, when you followed me through the desert, through a land unsown. Israel was sacred to Yahweh, the first fruits of his harvest. All who ate this incurred guilt. Disaster befell them, Yahweh declares. I brought you to a country of plenty to enjoy its produce and good things. But when you entered, you defiled my country and made my heritage loathsome. The priest never asked, Where is Yahweh? Those killed in the law did not know me. The shepherds too rebelled against me, and the prophets prophesied by Baal and followed the useless ones. You heavens stand aghast at this, horrified, utterly appalled, Yahweh declares. For my people have committed two crimes. They have abandoned me, the fountain of living water, and dug water tanks for themselves, cracked water tank that hold no water. This is the word of Lord. Thanks be to God. A reading from the Gospel according to Matthew, chapter 13, verses 10 to 17. Then the disciples went up to him and asked, Why do you talk to them in parables? In answer, he said, Because to you is granted to understand the mysteries of the kingdom of heaven, but to them it is not granted. Anyone who has will be given more and will have more than enough. But anyone who has not will be deprived even of what he has. The reason I talk to them in parables is that they took without seeing and listened without hearing or understanding. So, in their case, what was spoken by the prophet Isaiah is being fulfilled. Listen and listen, but never understand. Look and look, but never perceive. This people's heart has grown coarse, their ears dulled. They have shut their eyes tight to avoid using their eyes to see, their ears to hear, their heart to understand, changing their ways and being healed by me. But blessed are your eyes because they see, your ears because they hear. In truth, I tell you, many prophets and upright people long to see what you see and never saw it, to hear what you hear and never heard it.